Okay, so today you're going to start your Webquest scavenger hunt. You should have already logged into a Chromebook and picked up a handout from the front table. Today we are going to learn how to research using a database. So you have your scavenger hunt worksheet in front of you, and I want you to follow the directions on that Webquest scavenger hunt handout in order to learn how to access and utilize a research database for when you do your research for your Genocide Gallery Walk research project. Okay, so looking at your handout, today you'll get used to using two online databases on our library website. So let me help you get to the library website first from the library webpage. So first, let's open up Great Oak High School website, Great Oak High School. Just open up that Google link. Sorry. Click on the home page. Under Academics, you'll find a link to Library. Go ahead and click on that. Once you're on this page, you can go ahead and click down here on EBSCOhost. Okay, let's see what our web worksheet says now. So from the library webpage, click on EBSCOhost. Okay, we've done that. Then click on the Explora High School Research. Okay, Explora High School Research. All right, where is that one? Oh, I should read the rest of my directions. If you are working at home, the username is Great Oak and the password is Wolfpack. Okay? Great Oak, Wolfpack. Log in. Okay, I'm just going to go ahead and save that. Explora High School Research. It's on the top left. Okay, so now we're on our Explora High School EBSCOhost website. Let's go back to our handout. Number 1, type Temecula into the search field and find your answers to these questions. So over on the website, search field, type Temecula, search. How many of the results are in news articles? And you're going to answer those basic questions. All right, and then scrolling down to our next section, ProQuest SIRS Issue Researcher. So let's go back to Great Oak. ProQuest SIRS is right above EBSCOhost. There's even a SIRS tutorial there for you. Okay, let's double check and see if our username is a little different. Username is the same, password is different. Great Oak, and then our zip code 92592. So let's go ahead and type that in. Great Oak 92592. Submit. And click on this icon up here, click on the link. Okay, and now you are in SIRS. So you're going to go back to the library homepage like we did. Once logged on, find the School, Family, and Youth category. Okay, School, Family, and Youth category. Going down here. On the left side of your screen, under All Issues, School, Family, and Youth. Okay, now my options over here changed. So go with my next set of directions. What are 3 subtopics within that category? Oops, scroll a little too far. Now type the word genocide into the search field, okay, and so on and so forth. You should be able to go from here. All right, happy researching.